Hello my dear friends, if you want to regain the natural color of your hair back, stop hair fall and get long shiny hair in a short time, watch the video and use it as soon as possible. In this remedy, we are using two perfect ingredients. Firstly, we are going to use black seed. Black seed consists of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties which help fight skin disease caused by bacteria and fungi, proteins, alkaloids, and saponins which helps boost hair growth and slow down the aging process. And clove, it's rich in antiseptic, antimicrobial, and antifungal antiviral properties. By the way, please subscribe my channel, like the video, and touch CC button to turn on subtitles and choose any language that you wanna follow the video. And now you know that we need two ingredients. Firstly, add 1 big spoon of clove and 1 big spoon of black seed. You can also say kalonji, Nigella sativa, or black cumin. And I added 1 big glass of water. We boil it for 10 minutes. And when it gets warm, you can filter it. We need this perfect juice. Filter it and put it aside, the clove and the black seed, Nigella sativa, black cumin, kalonji. And it's ready. It really smells very good. It is very beneficial. I am pouring it into a bottle because it's much more practical, applying it onto my hair and my scalp. You can see the color. You can store it up to 3 or 4 months, and you don't have to wash. If you want, you don't have to wash your hair. So I really like this remedy very much. It's ready to use. Shake very well before every usage and apply it all over your hair, your scalp, and all over your hair. Don't forget to do massage. We have used clove and black seed. They treat dandruff, enhances hair growth, prevents premature gray hair. And I applied it. Especially there are some areas that I got my hair less. Then at least wait for 2 hours. If you want, you can apply it and wait for whole night, and you can wash it when you get up. You can use such a tool if you want. By the way, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. I generally wait for 3 or 4 hours. Then I wash my hair, but you don't have to wash your hair. If you want, if you feel unrelaxed, you can wash. You can use this remedy 2 or 3 times a week, and when you use it, you will see that your hair fall will stop and you will get back your natural hair color. You will have shiny long hair in a short time. I really get good effects, and many followers of me say that yes, clove and black seed are beneficial for my hair. Hope you also get good results with this practical and perfect remedy. Get your natural hair color back and stop hair fall and feel yourself much more beautiful and much more younger. By the way, don't use if you are blonde, because the color of your hair may turn to brown, but if you want so, you can use it. Hope you like watching the video and tell to your friends about our channel. Love all of you. Bye bye.